Come and explore a Seesaw writing lesson. Our focus lesson is functional writing. Help your students understand the importance of writing for others and themselves. Students will explore how creating lists, note-taking, and journaling will help them stay organized and reflect on their learning. When writing for others, students will focus on switching between informal and formal language to share their ideas or convince someone. Functional writing lessons provide teachers with direct instructional resources that could be used with the whole class or assigned to individual or groups of students. Informational text with Read With Me and rich images scaffold for student understanding. Built-in discussion questions empower teachers to help students connect concepts to prior experiences and understanding. Each lesson includes templates for students to try each type of writing and a space to reflect on their process. Some lessons include embedded auto-scored assessments, providing educators with actionable feedback to tailor instruction. The best part: teachers and connected family members can leave feedback on student work to celebrate them as growing writers. Interested in exploring other types of Seesaw writing lessons? Check out our next videos to continue learning.